Good day everyone! We're about to cook a spicy buttered garlic shrimp over spinach, and these are the ingredients, and I will put in the description box all the measurements and exactly what we use today. To start, we are going to need 3 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan over medium heat to saute our onions and garlic. When the oil is hot, add onion and swirl over the pan just like that once in a while until the onion is soft. Now, when the onion is soft, add garlic and swirl over the pan and saute for less a minute. Then we're about to toss the spinach. Gradually add the spinach. And now I'm adding the half of 10 ounce of spinach and just mix it. Once the spinach starts to wilt, add the rest of spinach. Then mix it well. And we're about to add oil to soften the leaves. While the spinach reduces, we're about to add ground black pepper and salt to taste. And this time, we turn off the stove and transfer to a serving plate. Using the same pan, we're about to melt 3 tablespoons of butter and still medium-high heat. Once the butter has melted, add 3 tablespoons of garlic or minced garlic and swirl over the pan or around the pan and saute less than a minute. And here we go, we're about to toss then the shrimp and swirl that around the pan, flatten everything, and we are fry 3 minutes each side. So just wait for about 3 minutes, but of course while frying for 3 minutes, we're about to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and like 4 to 5 squeeze of lemon juice. Now here we go. We're about to flip the other side, or fry the other side of shrimp. So after flipping, we're gonna add crushed red pepper, but you can reduce the amount of crushed red pepper. For me, I like spicy, so I'm stick with my ingredients. Then add ground black pepper and dried parsley to taste. Then mix it well. The shrimp is ready. We're gonna turn off the stove and ready to serve. Now here we go. Top the spinach with freshly cooked shrimp. Drizzle with sauce from the frying pan. So here we go, everybody. Looks delicious and absolutely tastes fantastic. So you should try this at your home. Very good.
Hey guys! And as usual, eating time. And today, me and my husband will taste together this food.
It looks good.
And
I got a big plate of shrimp here.
This is buttered garlic over spinach with oyster sauce. And today, we will try.
All right. And I've got no rice. She's got rice because I'm doing low carb.
I like rice. In the Philippines, in the Philippines, right?
Let me try the spinach
not you.
first.
Filipino related with this. Like, we love rice every time. Like, from morning to dinner.
Spinach is very buttery and garlicky. I like that.
I tried it already.
Oh.
I know it's good.
Got some big shrimp.
And it's very recommended for you guys to cook this. This is really good.
Little.
It's a big bite there.
You cooked that good. A little spicy. A little spicy.
Sorry, I just think myself. I really like spicy.
Yeah, spicy's good.
Very good. So,
Guess I should have brought a napkin out.
yeah. Okay, just finish this video, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified to my next video.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends and tell your mom and dad.
It's delicious.
It's really good.
Good job. Give me a kiss. Yeah.
All right. See you guys next time.